Hello and welcome to this little video, and in today's video I will show you some projects I do have about generalized model, so generalized linear model. It's some projects for logistic regressions I have done. Most of them were in Python, and from these projects what I'm really doing is to train a model to give an estimation, a outcome of the data we have, and so we can have some kind of predictions. And it's very important because at the end of the day, this is really what we want. So this is a tiny project, and what it does a logistic regression. Indeed, like what we said, it uses fast API for having this kind of prediction on an endpoint, so we can easily call this, and we can do that in real time, and that's why fast API is super good for that. This way we can just call that API, getting the data, and then give it back to our pipeline from fast API, and that way any new changes can be immediately grabbed and updated on our end. And then we use OpenAI for summarization, and that's also an important concept because summarization, it can be handy actually, just to give some kind of summaries of the logistic regression.